Hello students, in this video we will learn about different motions of the earth, how earth rotates and how earth revolutes. What is the difference between it? Okay, we will learn about different motions of the earth. Like you can see, earth moves on its axis. This is earth axis on the poles. This is north pole, right? This point, upper point, and the point under the earth, under the globe, this is south pole. So when earth moves around the poles, okay, on its axis, we say that this motion is called rotation. This motion is called rotation. When earths move like this on its own axis, right? When earth move on its own axis, this is called rotation. This is called rotation. Okay, rotation. And how much time earth takes to complete its rotation? Let's start. It started its rotation from here, okay, from India, and then it will rotate like this and will come back to India again. It will take 24 hours. 24 hours. That makes our one day, right? It takes 24 hours to complete its one rotation. And this motion of the earth, this rotation of the earth makes day and night. It helps to make day and night. Let's see, it is a sun. Okay, this red ball is a sun and the earth is moving. The earth is moving like this. It's rotating. Okay, the portion of the earth, like let's say it's India, okay, the portion of the earth that faces the sun, that will experience the day there. It will be day in India. India mein din hoga, right? When it start moving like this, okay, now the sun rays get tilted. Slanting sun rays, or you can say tilted sun rays, falls on India. Now it would be a, say, evening. Okay, evening would be there, and when India will rotate and India will reach on the other side. See, India is here, okay, and sun is there. So sun rays are not reaching to India. So now it is night in India. Okay, so let's look at it again. When earth keep on rotating, now the sun rays start falling on India. It's morning. Now it is afternoon as earth, India is facing sun. Now earth is rotating, earth is rotating, earth is rotating. Then it is now evening, and when now India is away from the sunlight, it is night over there. So, and when it will come back, 24 hours are completed, one rotation is completed. That's how day and night is made. Now it is day, and when it will move there away from the sun, it will be night in India. Now America is facing in sun, right? So it is day in America. Okay, and exactly this thing happens when there is a day in India, it's a night in America. When it is night, when it is day in America, it is night in India. So that's how rotation helps to make day and night. Rotation helps to make day and night. Now in the next video I will tell you about rotation, revolution. Okay, let's see how revolution helps to make different seasons. Okay, now earth has another motion, that it rotates around the sun. Look at it. When earth rotates around the sun like this, okay, it rotates around the sun. This motion is called revolution. This motion is called revolution. When earth rotates around the sun, this motion is called revolution. Revolution. Okay, and how much time it takes? It takes 365 days and 1/4 day. or you can say 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Okay. Now we will understand how seasons are made. Season changes due to this revolution. Season changes due to revolution. Okay. Days are made due to rotation and seasons are formed due to revolution of the earth. Due to revolution of the earth.